Hi there, hustlers. Welcome back to the channel. We will help you to build your online empire. Today, we are diving into a lucrative world of Pinterest affiliate marketing. I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. So buckle up and let's get started. And if you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. So what is the first step? Choose your niche and affiliate product. Well, the first thing first, let's talk about your niche. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to focus on a specific niche. This will help you target the right audience and it'll be easier for you to create relevant content. Spend some time researching and choose a niche that you are passionate about, that has good audience size and offers quality affiliate products. Create a Pinterest business account. This is the second step which you need to follow. Now that you have picked your niche, it's time to create a Pinterest business account. A business account offers additional features like analytics and rich pins, which will help you better understand your audience and improve your marketing strategy. To create your account, go to pinterest.com, business, create and follow these steps. Now the third step is to optimize your Pinterest profile. Now once your account is set up, you will want to optimize your Pinterest profile. Upload a professional profile picture, write a clear and informative bio, and add relevant keywords to your profile. This will make your account more appealing and discoverable to your target audience. The fourth step is to create boards and start pinning. Create boards that are relevant to your niche. Your board should be well organized and contain high quality, visually appealing images. Start pinning relevant, valuable content to your boards. And make sure to mix in your affiliate product pins with non-promotional content. This will help your followers engaged and make your account look less. The fifth step is to create attractive pins for your affiliate products. Now let's create eye-catching pins for your affiliate product. Use a tool like Canva to design visually appealing pins that stand out in the Pinterest feed. Make sure to add a clear call to action, use high-quality images, and include relevant keywords in your pin descriptions. This will increase the chances of your pins being discovered and clicked on. Step 6 is to apply for affiliate programs and add affiliate links. To start earning commissions, you need to join affiliate programs related to your niche. Research and apply to reputable programs that offer quality products and competitive commission rates. Once it gets approved, your affiliate links to your pins. Remember to disclose your affiliate relationship to comply with the FTC guideline. The seventh step is to promote your pins and drive traffic. Well, the final step is to promote your pins and drive traffic to your affiliate offers. Use Pinterest SEO best practices to increase the visibility of your pins and consistently engage with your audience by repinning, liking, and commenting on their content. You can also join board groups to expand your reach and consider running promoted pins to boost your affiliate sales. Well, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Remember, patience and consistency are key. So don't get discouraged if you have not showing good or immediate results. Keep testing and tweaking your strategy and soon enough you will achieve success.